Here is how to log out of your Among Us account. First, you can go ahead and clear your app storage to your device home screen and tap and hold onto the Among Us application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to its app info. From here, scroll down and tap on storage, then click on clear cache. Also tap on clear data and then select delete. This will remove your login information, all your data, files, settings, accounts, and databases, and remove it and log out. Confirm by tapping on delete, and when you reopen Among Us, you'll be logged out. Another thing you can do is you can remove account via Google Play Games. So go ahead, open your device settings, then scroll down and select Google. Now select all services and scroll down and tap on Google Play Games. Now select sign in account in the bottom and find Among Us from the list and tap on it and tap on change. And there you'll get the option of sign out, select it, and then tap on save to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.